My name is Jared Haley. I'm a manufacturing engineer at CXS Inc. CXS is a contract manufacturing facility. We focus on the medical industry. We make components for heart valves, defibrillators, pacemakers, basically anything in the medical market. I do all the processing of our jobs, which starts with developing a process on how to manufacture the product, and then I follow that product along through the process, always trying to, perfect it, improve upon it, and make it run better. We currently use InfinityQS for all of our data collection and our SPC charts and essentially process flow, watching our processes and streamlining them. A lot of our customers use InfinityQS for their SPC. It is what has driven us to implement it within our company. We've gotten to see it work on their floor. We've seen the benefits, we've heard about the benefits, and that's what drove us to it. The nice thing about it is data we collect and the information we have can be transferred into their system one-to-one. They can open it up, look at it, see exactly what we see without any modifications. We've used InfinityQS to consolidate a lot of different systems into one. So instead of having to go from different application to application throughout our standard operating procedures, it's all right there. It's an easy taskbar at the bottom of the screen for our operators. It's a good flow. It can contain all the documentation that we need as a company to supply to our customers. Once it was implemented, the results have been amazing. Our operators have really embraced it. The ease of data collection, the reliability of the data, and the helping streamline our processes is very evident at an early stage. For me personally, InfinityQS has a lot of added benefit to my job. It has made what I do a lot easier, and it's made me more efficient. I have been able to get my job done quicker, which allows me to focus on other areas. I can see the return on our investment happening within a year very easily. The importance of quality at CX is paramount. It's the only thing in my mind that we care about. If you don't have quality, we don't have a company. I would recommend InfinityQS to anybody that's looking into SPC and quality control. InfinityQS has allowed us to, in a much easier fashion, improve our quality and maintain it at a level that our customers demand.